Hey, Chuck Mullins here from Quiet Brokerage. Today I wanted to make a quick video tutorial showing you how to export your profit and loss statement with a monthly view from QuickBooks Online. So the first thing is obviously to log into your QuickBooks Online account. I set up a trial account just for demonstration purposes, uploaded a little bit of fake data, and here we go. So once you're on the dashboard page, is the page you land on when you log in. Click on Reports, which is over here on the left side. And then you'll see profit and loss right here. You can click on that, or you can do a search if you don't see it there for profit and loss. So you'll see a couple different options come up. You don't need any of these down here, just simply profit and loss, not the detailed one or anything, right? So click profit and loss, and you'll get to this page, which is showing profit and loss, the total only, okay? So at the top here, you'll see some dates, and you're gonna wanna go back 2 or 3 years to the January 1st. So since we're mid 2018, I'm going to go back to the 2 or 3 full years, meaning 17, 16, and I'm going to go to 15, right? So January 1st, 2015, and then I'm going to end it on the last full month. So we're on June 7th, so I'm going to go ahead and do May 31st. And then I'm going to go ahead and look over here, display by columns. So I'm going to do months. So right, we're displaying columns by month, and then click Run Report, and you'll see the report changes here, right? So now we're showing the monthly view of your profit and loss statement. And if we scroll all the way over to the left, we'll see the totals, okay? The next step would be to scroll back up, click on this box right here where it says Export, the drop down, Export to Excel, and you'll see it exported. I'm going to click on that to open it to show you. It's going to open in a different window on my screen. And here it is. So you'll see it's in a single sheet in Excel with the monthly view for all of the months that we needed. And then it has the total at the end. Okay, so that's what we're looking for when we say profit and loss with monthly view. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. It's chuck@quietlightbrokerage.com. Have a good one.